Good. How you doing, people? Welcome back. Search back at me. Have this 2015. This is a seventh generation. So that will be from 2015 to 2017. I'm going to show you how to do the front brakes. So come with me, show you how to do this like a pro. So anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Okay. We come through here with the pry bar. So here, so we can push the piston. Yep, just like that. All the way as much as you can. There you go. 14. They the same length with the caliper. Remove the brake pads. This is the reason why I'm replacing the brakes. It's metal to metal now. No more ceramic or whatever it is your brake pads made of. This is why. Okay. $17 for this one and this one to remove the bracket. These bolts are the same length. Okay. The bracket, just gonna spray some brake cleaner and brush it and reuse it. They have 2 screws. Another one over here. There you go. Spray some brake cleaner. Should be good. This rotor specifically comes with grease. This brand, maybe other brands don't come with grease. Spray some brake cleaner, wipe it, clean it. Oops, sorry. Clean it on the other side too. Yeah, I'm mounting it the other way because I'm gonna clean it here. Spray some brake cleaner, wipe it. Should be Gucci. Flip it. This thing's gotta match with the screws, okay? You saw it earlier. That. Now we're gonna put the screws back. Ugh. For the bracket, I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner. So we're gonna brush it. I don't breathe the debris, and just brush it. I'm gonna grab some of this brake silicone lubricant. Put it there for the brake pads. Make it easier for the brake pads to slide in and out. Pretty much. Make sure these sliders go in and out easily. If not, pull it out, wipe it, or grease it. Okay. I'm just gonna put it back. 17s. Just like that. Tight it. Gucci. Time to put the brake pads on. Hopefully you see this. Just like that. Now before we put the caliper back, there's clips. You got two. Put it there. Put it there. 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 And you have to hold it, okay? Otherwise it's gonna push out. Alright, this is the fun part. I'll put this one first. It doesn't matter the order though. I'm just doing it because of preference. So I can see here. Hold, you see? That's why you gotta hold the brake pads. Hold it. Grab the caliper. Mount it. Let the brake pad go. Align the holes. Put the bolts back. We're good. Now I gotta tighten it. 14. 14. Make sure with the ratchet you tighten it good. That should be good. Pretty much. So support the channel. You know how to do it. Like, share, comment. Anything you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box.